These nature reels are going viral on Instagram nowadays. But have you ever wondered that how to make these reels for free? You have to give only 15 minutes to make this reel. If you want to earn over $5,000 per month spending only 15 minutes of your time. So watch this video till end. I will show you the complete method to make these reels for free. So let's get started. Watch these videos I have made. I will show you 2 methods of making viral reels and how to monetize these videos. I will also tell you at the end. So don't skip any part of the video. Look at this account. It has gained over 4 lakh followers with only uploading these natural reels, which are not pretty good. But I will tell you the method of making same to same this reels and also better from these reels. This account is making thousands of dollars per month. You don't have to spend your time to write a script or voiceover. You will have to learn 3 things only: writing prompts, text to image AI, and image to video AI. And this all things are totally free. If you can't write best prompts, I will also share you best prompts. You will get these prompts in my Telegram channel. My channel's link is provided in the description. So let's dive into the viral method of making these videos. In this part, you have to create images for your video. So firstly, you will have to write good prompts, copy and customize these prompts according to your generation. We are using Leonardo AI for this image generation. Open Leonardo AI website and create your account. After this, go to image creation. After that, you will enter this page. In the preset, select anime. Select anime general for this style, because this is best. For your generation size, select Instagram reel size or your mobile size. Paste the image prompts and click the generate button. After some time, you will get these type of images. If you don't like these images, generate again. Download any image you want. Now it's time to get into next step. Go to Hyper AI, create a free account. You will get 300 credits. Click on the image to video button. Upload your image here. Skip second section. Upload your that same image in third section. After this, click on the keyframe conditioning. Select your duration of 8 seconds. If you want to make this video without costing any credit, you can choose 2-second or 4-second video. You can write here any prompt as you want to make your video. I am writing moving stars and sky. Next, click generate button. After few minutes, you will get your video. Download your video from here. Now get into last step. Open CapCut and import your videos. For Calm Music, you can search here, or you can download no copyright Calm Music from YouTube. Here is the edited video. For earning money, if you get your video viral and some followers in your account, many brands will contact you and make you promote their product. By this method, you can earn over $5,000 per month. Don't forget to join Telegram channel for best prompt and earning related ideas.